percussion instruments include bells. Bells are very important, right? All of the bells are basically, do you remember this formula from before? It's literally the exact same formula for everything. And that to me is fascinating because it's just simple harmonic motion. So when you look for the pitch of a bell, you're looking for the length of it, the elasticity of the material that it's fabricated out of, and the formula. And when they work, when they vibrate, these are all the frequencies that you can have. You do not have to memorize any of it, but just know that fundamentally they're all related to this formula. And this Y and this D, this is called the Young's modulus. So pretty. Anyway, so these are the different kinds of bells. They have been used forever and a day. What I want you to notice about this bell is that its shape. Do you remember us talking about the clarinet like 10 minutes ago? Do you remember the shape of a clarinet on its bell? What shape did that have? Like a bell shape, right? And why is that? For the projection of sound. Bells are the same way. They hit and then the projection of sound. Thought I had noise here. From all the way, all over the world, you'll find old ancient bells. Bells are very funny. Every time you try to make a big bell, it usually doesn't work. Like the one in Philadelphia, right? The one in Russia. It takes a lot of effort to get it right. The bigger you try to make it, the harder it is to construct the right alloy to create it with so it doesn't break. These are different bells that are used. The biggest bell, I believe, is this one. Otherwise, I may be wrong. And more percussion instruments. All the way from Africa to a xylophone. And we all learned that when we're learning our ABCs, right? X is for either X-ray or xylophone. That's it. We all know xylophone. Okay, so that brings us to the end of what I wanted to talk about. Whoa, that brings us to the end of our class. Thank you so much. I hope you guys have learned something that interests you personally during the course. So if you have no other questions, we're done. Thank you guys.
Have a good day, Dr.
You